Hello, student bears. I just wanted to wish you all the best of luck on your final exams that are just around the corner and share a few tips and tricks that you can use during the exam. There are many great tips for chemistry, and one of the biggest ones I think is just the formula book itself. There's so many hidden features that you can use that I don't think a lot of people pay attention to. For example, I often forget my conversions between centimeters cubed, decimeters cubed, and meters cubed, but that's conveniently placed in the formula book. The formula book also includes the year 13 things, which maybe if you're in year 12, you don't know what they do or what they mean, but we can still get some information out of them. For example, there's an indicators column, which gives you the colors of different indicators based on if it's an acid or an alkaline. Even though it says, for example, phenolphthalein is colorless to red, and we're supposed to say colorless to pink, that can still help you remember which one is supposed to be the colorless one and which one is supposed to be the colored one, pink. And there are many different indicator colors there too, even though most of them we don't need to know. Additionally, there are even more year 13 things which just appear super useful, like some sort of ionic half equations, which we can use because here's a unit 2 past paper question, and if you look at part I, the answer is literally given in the formula book, which is great because that's just a free mark. In many of the questions, they put in brackets the formulas that you should use in that question, but here's the ones that are still in the chemistry year 12 syllabus. Just like in physics, you can use your logical reasoning to figure out if your answer sounds logical and makes sense, or if you should go and check your question again. Of course, if you start with 10 grams and 20 grams of reactants and you make 200 grams of a product, there might be something wrong with your calculations, but you can just go over it again and see if you can find your error and change it. And once again, remember to breathe in the exam. It's not going to be the end of the world, and most importantly, you're going to do your very best and try and score as many marks as you can. I believe you're all going to do amazing, and the best of luck once more.